You know, the world of content creation is changing faster than ever. You don't need expensive cameras, hours of editing, or even to show your face to make videos that get views, followers, and money. And today I want to talk about a tool that makes that not just possible but easy. It's called Vexub. And if you are serious about creating faceless YouTube or social media videos, this might just change the way you work. Now let me be honest, there are a lot of AI video tools out there. Some convert text into slides, some generate voiceovers, some give you a few animations and call it a day, but most of them, they feel limited. They're either too complicated for beginners, too expensive for creators on a budget, or too slow when you want to scale. Here's where Vexub really stands out. First off, it's versatile. You are not limited to typing a script and holding for the best. You can create videos from text, MP3 audio files, MP4 clips, or even SMS messages. That might sound small, but think about it. You can take a recorded podcast episode, throw it into Vexub, and turn it into a short, engaging YouTube or TikTok video in minutes. Or you can repurpose a personal voice memo, an interview, or even a script you wrote for social media posts, all into videos that feel professional. But versatility isn't everything. A lot of creators struggle with faceless content because they think faceless videos feel robotic or boring. That's not the case here. Vexub gives you pro-quality narrator voices, automatic subtitles, and a variety of visual styles to match your brand. That means even if you never show your face, your audience will still recognize your style and feel connected to your content. And let's talk about speed and simplicity. One of the biggest reasons creators quit or burn out is the endless editing process. Cutting, trimming, adding subtitles, adjusting visuals. It takes hours for every short clip. With Vexub, you can generate videos in just a few clicks. You type, upload, or paste your content, choose a style and voice, and then AI does the rest. That's a game changer if you want to post daily, scale multiple channels, or focus on creating content instead of spending all day in front of a timeline. Another thing that makes Vexub different is its focus on monetization. Many AI tools only promise video creation. They don't consider why you are making the videos. Vexub actually encourages you to think about platforms, social media trends, and monetization strategies. Whether you are aiming for YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or online courses, this tool is built to support creators who want results, not just content. Now you might be wondering, but what about pricing? Is this one of those tools that costs a fortune? Not at all. Vexub has multiple plans to suit different types of creators. You can start small, test the platform, and scale up as you grow. And compared to some competitors that lock features behind the expensive tires, this is genuinely more accessible. More videos, more features, and less stress for less money. And let's be honest, faceless content is the future. Look at YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Channels that don't even show their faces are dominating because they focus on value, consistency, and speed. But here's the catch. Consistency is hard when you are doing everything manually. That's exactly why Vexub is powerful. It automates the heavy lift so you can stay consistent, save time, and keep producing content without burning out. Of course, nothing is perfect. If you want highly customized animations, complex visuals effects, or ultra-long videos, you might need specialized editing tools. And while Vexub's voices are professional, the quality can vary depending on your choice, but for short-form content, faceless channels, and fast production, it's hard to beat. So to sum it up, Vexub is more than just another AI video tool. It's versatile, fast, and monetization-focused platform that makes faceless video creation easy, scalable, and consistent. It helps you turn existing content into professional videos. It saves hours of editing, and it gives you tools to encourage your audience without showing your face. If you have been struggling to grow a channel, constantly editing, or just unsure how to make faceless content that works, Vexub is the shortcut you have been looking for. So don't wait, start creating, save your time, focus on the content, let the AI do the rest. That's the future of faceless YouTube, and it's here now with Vexub. So that's all for today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. I will catch you in the next one.